Okay, so this is a manual pallet loading machine for our POS EF4SS. What this machine will do is it'll allow us to keep our spindle turning more of the time. So while the machine is cutting chip on one fixture plate, we could have a second fixture plate outside of the machine with part changeover occurring while the machine is running. And then when the machine cycle stops, that pallet slides out of the machine onto the pallet loader. The pallet that's now full of stock gets slid into the machine for its cycle, and the cycle start happens and it's rinse and repeat. So you avoid the dead spindle time that you would otherwise have attempting to load and unload stock inside of the machine. For producing complete assemblies, the additional benefit of having two pallets now that can be rapidly interchanged in the machine is we can manage production on multiple projects simultaneously in the one machine, rather than having to have dead time doing project changeover. It increases our flexibility in terms of production management, but on top of increasing our production in general by 30%. So it's a win-win, really.